Hello, my name is Mary Kolenda. Welcome to your 5-minute standing yoga flow with no forward folds. Use these next few minutes to ground yourself, consciously breathe, and gently stretch your body. Come into a comfortable standing position. Root down through all 4 corners of your feet. Soften your knees. Pull your belly button in. Breathe in, reach your arms up overhead. Exhale, gather your hands in front of your heart. 2 more times. Breathe in, raise your arms. Exhale, hands to your heart. Once more. Inhale, lift your arms. Exhale, Samastitihi. Drop your hands down by your side. Inhale, chair pose, Utkatasana. Deeply bend your knees, sweep your arms up, sink your weight into your heels. Take a deep inhale into your firm core. When you exhale, airplane your arms. Root to rise. Inhale, come all the way up into standing, lift your arms. Exhale, Samastitihi. Bring your hands to your hips. Root through your right foot. Inhale, elevate your left knee. Exhale, step your left foot back. Come into crescent lunge, Anjaneyasana. Oopsie. Swing your arms up, stack your left heel on top of your toes, bend your right knee. Take a breath in, lengthen through all sides of your torso. Exhale, twist to your right side with open arms. Inhale, exalted warrior. Lower your right hand on top of your back leg. Lift your left arm. Take one more breath in. Exhale, come to the top of your mat. Bring your hands to your hips again. Root down through your left foot. Inhale, raise your right knee. Exhale, step your right foot back. Again, come into crescent lunge. Send your arms up, stack your right heel on top of your toes, bend your left knee. Take one more inhale, reach through your fingertips. Exhale, twist over to your left side with open arms. Inhale, exalted warrior. Lower your left hand on top of your back leg, reach your right arm up. Breathe in once more. Exhale, step forward. Maybe shake out your legs. Step your legs wide, toes out, heels in. Inhale, star pose, reach high. Exhale, horse pose. Deeply bend your knees, stack your shoulders over your hips. Place your hands on top of your thighs. Inhale, lift your left arm. Exhale, lean over to your right side. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, lower your left hand. Inhale, lift your right arm. Exhale, lean over to your left side. Inhale, come back to the middle. Exhale, lower your right hand. Inhale, star pose, take up space. Exhale, toe heel or jump your feet together and come back into Samasthiti. Namaste.